Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I made a Facebook post asking what people wanted to see while I was at the RV party by Funtown at the home of the Dallas Cowboys, the AT&T Stadium, and more than one person asked for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath travel trailer. So this is it. This is the 2024 390JM Funtime. Pretty darn incredible. I hope you guys like it. All the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description, along with a link for the pricing. But man, what a cool place to be recording videos. I mean, it is absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to see how many people are coming through this, having a good time. But again, it's the 2024 Funtime 390JM, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath. Let's go ahead and get this tour started. We're going to start on the inside, then work our way around the outside. Bada bing, bada boom, right there. So you're going to have 1 bedroom and 1 bath over here on this hallway. You got your living room, and then another bedroom with your full bath down that way. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the tour over here in this main room, kind of show you what she's all about. But I would definitely say I would probably be staying in that back room. I think that back room is going to be kind of your master suite. I think it's a really cool setup. Now, one thing that I like about the Funtime, which is going to be a new line of RVs that I think is going to do extremely well. First time in one was today. They have above average slide height. You're looking at about 5'9" right here, which is going to open up to one. You're not going to be knocking your head because it is taller than usual. When you go to sit down, it's at a good height. It's not like some of those that go up to the bottom of my ear. But you're also going to get bigger windows than most. And these two back here do open up for a nice breeze. Plus, you get these nice little blinds right there to help block out some of the sun. You know, keep some nosy eyes out. You're going to have a dinette table for, 2, maybe 4 if you're going to be, flat belly. There's definitely not four roundies like myself, getting into there. But either way, great place to sit down, play some cards, have some breakfast. But you also have the ability to sleep, a couple extra people. Maybe you got 2 couples. Maybe it's grandkids. Who knows? You got a little bit of storage here up underneath. And then right here, you're going to have a jackknife sofa that does pull out for additional sleeping along with storage there underneath. You got your entertainment section right here. So you're going to have a big old TV along with a fireplace to keep you nice and warm and toasty. So it's going to be a 30-inch Furrion. It puts out 4,700 BTUs of heat. So when you are, in this thing in 40, 45 degrees, that'll be really all the heat that you need for the entirety of this area. And it'll bleed back into both of the bedrooms. You also have a really nice functional kind of kitchen area. And you're going to get actually quite a bit of storage along with a wine cooler where you can fit probably about 120 pack of apple juice in there. No problemo. But, you don't see too many travel trailers with the extra storage, like this. I mean, you can fit a ton of dry food in there. You're also going to get a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, as well. So that'll be nice. It'll keep away about a week's worth of food in there. Absolutely no problem, especially when you talk about this being, all food, and then maybe that being, all drinks or vice versa. Pretty darn snazzy. This will also run off of solar, your battery, your truck when you're driving down the road. It's got dual ACs, so you're staying nice and cool even down here, in Texas, no problem. It's also got a weather package, so added insulation there for you. Heated and enclosed underbelly. 3 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixings and enough room, to put up, some cookies, some pizza. Fuse box, so if something isn't working, make sure to check that out. You're also going to notice the accent lighting. So you got a nice little ambient glow with the blue there, just to come out and grab a little midnight snack or do what you're going to do. You can also toggle that, on and off, obviously. 2 of these pull-out drawers right here with a third one down the bottom that's going to be about twice the size. You also get some pretty clean-cut storage and access to your plumbing here underneath. And then you have your stainless steel under-mounted bowl, which is going to be, in that split zone. So I'm a big fan of this. I know some people would rather have that single basin. I prefer, personally, the dual split zone. You also get the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. You got the old black glass insert. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. Thank you for letting me come down here. 270 RVs to record. I won't get full tours on them all, but I will get a short tour on every single one. So if you ever want to funnel through and look at some quick stuff, check out my Instagram, and TikTok, Facebook, all that good stuff. Hard wrap plastic that goes all the way around the edge. You're going to notice no exposed, areas with like that little tape that some of the brands use. Dual ACs in this unit. I think I already mentioned that, but this is going to be the bedroom that I personally would take. One, you got an east to west slide bed. You can see you got plenty of space. I like the fact that it's got a window just to kind of help you feel a little bit less claustrophobic. But you're also going to get outlets and USBs on both sides, along with some storage here overhead. But you flip it around, you have your own entrance. So it's kind of just, it's private, but you can kind of get in and out back into your own space and, just go straight back to the restroom. But I love this dresser setup here. So you're going to get 6 dresser drawers, all looking just like that. So you got plenty of place, to put some clothes, boxers, whatever. Window, place for a TV along with the appropriate plugins. And you also got a little bit of room for some hanging items. And then you're back here into the bathroom, and you got a shower that's definitely big enough, for a guy my size to get in there, no problemo. And then you have the porcelain foot flush throne, a nice little viewing window out the back so you can play friendly neighbor. And then bada bing bada boom, the old bowling gun, baby. Pretty darn cool setup. Place where you can put, your toothbrush. You also got yourself a sink, outlet, plenty of room to put some, colognes and whatnot, or whatever the heck my wife brings with her. All right, so you're also going to be prepped up for the 4G LTE, so your wine guard system right here. So if you need to do some work on the road, need to get some internet on the road, you do have the ability to get that. And that's what the Funtime does a really good job on. They have the ability to have a lot of features, but they don't force you to pay for a lot of features. Like they're prepped for a 3-camera safety system on the outside, which is going to basically be a camera on the front left and front right, and then one in the back. It's all prepped for it. So instead of just tacking on $1,200 onto the bill, you got the ability to choose if that is something, that you would like. And if you guys have made it this far, if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment. Really trying to make a push for 75,000 subscribers here in 2024, and I'd love for you to be part of this little growing RV channel here I got going on. All your slide controls, your awnings, your different lights. So if you want to turn off the accent lighting, there you go. You got the ability to do it. On-demand tankless hot water heaters. This is going to be the same one they're using in those big old fifth wheels, big destination RVs. Definitely going to be, nice to have that. I like the bathroom. I know some people are not a fan of the corner radius shower, but this is going to be one of those larger corner radius showers as well, because some of them, I can't even really fit in. And you can see, right here, you got plenty of room. I mean, I said it before, I'm not having a dance party in here, but as far as a shower is concerned, I'm getting that done, pretty easily without having to sacrifice too much for sure. Another place. Boom, boom, access to your sink. I like the fact that it is a porcelain toilet, and it's on a position here too. Let me sit down and show you. You're not buttoned up against anything. It's just a comfortable kind of seating spot with it being, on that corner there. Heading back into here, you got another east to west slide bed, the same bed set up as the other side with the outlets, USBs, overhead storage, storage there up underneath. But you're also going to get washer and dryer here behind this door. But before you do that, you get another dresser. So 3 different dresser drawers here, another separate entrance, place for a TV with cable and satellite. But I love the fact that it does have a washer and dryer. And I'm not sure if this is standard or optional, so you'll definitely want to ask somebody. But man, how freaking cool is that? You don't get that too many times, in travel trailers. But you also got this big old closet. So maybe drop a comment, let me know which room, you would take. I'm kind of torn. You get extra dresser space in the other one, kind of a more private bath. But you also get the washer and dryer, in here too, which is kind of nice to have control on. But all right, let's go around the outside. Again, the 2024 Funtime 390JM by Crossroads. All those specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, will be down in the description along with a link for that pricing. I think it's got a really nice neutral decor, being all kind of light and bright with your grays and blacks. Aluminum frame construction, or aluminum frame on the exterior, I'm sorry, with the wood frame construction there. You're going to notice you get a rock guard up front just to kind of help with longevity of kind of chips and dings, you know, and all of that. You also have your solar on the side for an extra 20 amps, you know, help maybe power up, you know, the refrigerator, yada, yada, yada. You also have your battery disconnect if you want to shut everything off in a hurry. Place for a battery with room for a second, and you got dual 20-pound propane bottles, you know, here as well. And this is what I was talking about with the 3-camera safety system. So you got this one right here, one on that other side, and then one heading up the back. So when you're driving down the road, you know, that's kind of the view that you would be getting. Man, how crazy is this that I'm in a freaking stadium right now? Standing at probably about the 20-yard line, I'd say. Pretty darn nuts. So heated and enclosed underbelly is going to be part of that extreme weather package. You got dual axle, a little leash latch for your furry friend, and then you're also going to get cable and satellite hookups out here along with your potable water hookup. You got another entrance. You're going to have 3 entrances to this RV. Dual awning. So notice there's going to be no slides on this side, and with those 2 awnings, even on a really hot day, you're out here, you know, you're playing some cornhole, you're flipping burgers. I mean, you're just having a really good time under shade the entirety of this camper all the way through. And each one's got LED lights as well, so you can kind of keep the party going on through the night. Bumper, spare tire, black tank flush, which you're not familiar with that. It's basically a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. You're also going to have the Lippert on-the-go ladder system, so you can get on top of the RV, check your seals, check your slides. You're also backup camera prepped here as well. I can't get through to the other side today, but you know, you got a couple things up there, like all your drain pipes, which will be central right there for like your sewer's going to be underneath on that other side. But a lot of good stuff going. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter. Hope to see you next time. 2024 Funtime 390JM. Have a great day. See ya. Meow, 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 no, meow, no, 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 meow, no, 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 meow, no, 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 no,